Hi, I'm Paul Bailey, and now we're going to talk about summary statistics and our introduction to PIAC. Uh, I already presented one summary statistic method that showed unweighted results in the previous one, which is data manipulation. And this time we're just going to talk about one function, summary two, which is going to help you with plausible value variables, which are a bit hard to deal with because there are several plausible values. So summary two is takes a data set, a variable, and then you tell it the weight. And if you want to drop omitted levels, which is not going to be relevant for plausible values, but we'll get next to looking at a survey variable with this too. So here I'm going to do a summary on the German data of uh, literacy. And when I do that, these results are across all the plausible values. They're averaged across all the plausible values, and um, using the proper methodology to get all these statistics that you see. And then on the far right, you'll see that we see the number of missing and zero weight variables, which is zero for this data set. We can also use this for a survey item, as I mentioned. So here we're doing keeping up to date on learning. And I did drop omitted levels equals true, which drops the omitted levels, which we talked about before. So there are some that are typically not reported, um, and they do not appear in this table. If you want to see what it looks like with them, you should run this call yourself and see what it shows.